GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. If says join free Telegram, so go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Then check out the brokers on a profile near. So go and join these brokers, open a demo account with them, and then trade with my signals in a separate account so that we can have a separate data. Okay, I don't want you to mix anything. If you're trading on your own or with somebody else's signal, just keep it in your separate account and trade my signals in these brokers in a separate account. Okay, so we'll talk about this in Telegram group. So make sure you join. So check out these things, subscribe, like. Let's get back to business. So coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we had two red candles. Sorry. So last 2 weeks we have been red in GBP. Okay. So what do we have? Maybe this was a pullback in weekly, and we might continue going up. Time will tell. So let's come back to Delhi. In Delhi, we have something very interesting. So we have to be very careful on Monday. Probably let's wait what happens on Monday, because if the Monday candle in daily chart, okay, the candle on Monday closes below this EMA, then that will be the official continuation of the downtrend of GBP. But I think personally, I could be wrong. Monday will tell. Okay, so we'll get to know about this on Tuesday. That have we started the downtrend at GBP or not, or it just probably will bounce back. Okay. So maybe on Monday we'll have a blue candle. So if Monday we have a blue candle, then we'll continue going up. But if the Monday closes in red below this EMI, then that should be the official start of the downtrend in GBPUSD. Okay, but I think we'll might go up. Okay, so let's see what we have in 4 hour. In 4 hour we are down. Okay, I think we are officially in downtrend at 4 hour already. So whoa. Okay, so quite simple here. No point in taking short right now. Wait for the pullback. So quite clear. This is your downtrend. Okay, so wait for the pullback to happen until 68%, and then you go down if we have a confirmation red candle. So let me delete this, and then I'll give you the simple structure. Okay, so this is a downtrend in GBPUSD. Now the pullback will happen, and the pullback will happen till the EMA rejection should come. So the candles or the wick will touch the EMA, then the rejection will come, and then you will have the red candle to confirm the continuation of the downtrend. Okay, but if this high is broken, that means, for example, if this high is broken by the blue candle, then the candle will close above the EMA. This high will be broken. Candle will close above the EMA. That will be the continuation of the uptrend, and you shall enter long after the pullback. So for now, I don't see any entry in next, when the market opens on Monday, I don't see any entry in for next 12 hours. Okay, so wait for the pullback. I'm considering to go short for now. I'll wait for the pullback to happen. Rejection should come from EMA, then the red candle, then we go down again. Okay, but coming back to Delhi, Delhi is more important because as I said that we have to wait what happens on Monday. If the candle closes below the EMA on Monday, then we will be officially in the downtrend. In that case, we'll have to wait for the pullback and then go down. But I'll talk about this in the coming videos. So let's keep an eye on Monday or rather Tuesday. If we have a blue candle on this Monday, then we should continue the uptrend. But if we close below the EMA, we will continue the downtrend. Okay. 4 hour, I told you already, pullback will happen, then we might go down, or we probably will continue going down if this high will continue going up if this high is broken. So much for free. So if you like producing, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, and join these brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.